Okay, today's idea is, the idea of this is we know that we can take a hell of a lot of DC by using the system quite fast. All I have here is 12 to 13 volts boost caps. What I have here is a 1000 watt grid tie inverter, and it's working off input between 10.8 to 30 volts DC. If we can get, if I could get some more boost caps to make a bank of 30 volts, then we can get the maximum output for this 1000 watt. And as you saw in the previous films, the system setup itself was only taking 1054 watts. So if we can, if we can optimize this boost cap setup to allow for 1000 watts, or if we had a grid tie inverter for 2000 watts, see if we could pump out 2000 watts, that would be something. Then what I'll do, I'll just show you now what we have here. You can see at the moment the system's on error because the voltage in the caps is this 10.63 volts DC. I'm still using the 1950, and this meter is on watts going out. The principle is sound. We're just looking for a different component setup here. So I've also put a bit of a boundary between these to see if there was a difference in collecting the DC voltage. I also think a little bit of air between the coils could help that. But anyway, we start it up. I have the lighting. You can see the voltage is increasing. Remember, we have about 13 volts on anyway. We're simply at 12. But at the minute we're pumping out, this is in watts, into the system, into the grid. This is the... sorry, trying to see. So voltage, amps, watts. See, the system's not allowing itself to go over a certain voltage. I believe that's because of this setup here. But you can see we're pumping a small amount back in. I know it's useless with the setup as we have at the moment, but the idea is sound. So by using the mains current to drive the generator, we could have a source of energy here we could use, and secondary collection back in to the grid. So if we can get a balanced system, and then we have another coil on top just to take off what we need here. That's the idea, guys. Give me all the nasty comments that you want, or hopefully some constructive comments. And if there's any guys out there watching this that will be interested in donating components to get this going, please contact me, and I'll be more than willing to take them from you. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting, guys. Don't be down. I know there's a lot of stuff out there on the net. I've been down at one point, but now I've decided not to give up until we complete this test. Thanks again for watching.